So today, the first topic is onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia. Have you heard about onomatopoeia? It's very easy and very beautiful. This one figure of speech, as it is already mentioned in the definition. What is it? In this figure of speech, the name of a thing or an action is given by a vocal imitation of the sound associated with it. So here, the figure of speech, onomatopoeia. What is onomatopoeia? We use the sound made by different, things, animals. So the sound is used, okay, like his, buzz, buzz, slam. So these are the sound, nearby sound, we can say. It's not the exact sound that it creates, but it's near to that sound. The word is near to the sound that that is created. Okay, so that is onomatopoeia. As we see in the example, the bee buzzed in my ear. Buzz. Buzz is a sound made by bee or some different insects. They make the sound of buzz. So this is an onomatopoeia. Okay. If it is asked to find the figure of speech in this particular sentence, the bee buzzed in my ear, the answer will be, it is onomatopoeia. The figure of speech used is onomatopoeia. Like the cat mewed for some milk. Mew, the sound made by the cat is mew sound. Yes. The corn went pop in the microwave. This is also a sound made by when you put corn, okay, in the microwave, and when it's completed, you can hear the sound of popping sound. Okay. So that is the sound. The vocal imitation of the sound that is associated with it is onomatopoeia. Can you tell me an example? What is the sound made by this? Do you know this? The snake hissed at me. Yes, actually, it is correct. Hiss, the sound made by a snake. Hissing sound. What is oink? Can you tell? What is oink? It's a sound made by an animal. By a pig. Yes, by a pig. Can you make a sentence with it? It will help you better. It's a sound made by a pig, oink. Make a sentence with oink. You can make this particular message only a bit shorter. The pig came near me and licked my leg. It made an oink sound after that. Okay, so that's how onomatopoeia word or figure of speech is used. You see example of onomatopoeia from a poem by Edgar Allan Poe. He has used in his poem Bells. Okay, can you tell which are the words here which is making sound? From the jingling and tingling of the bells, how they clang and clash and roar. If you're asked to find the onomatopoeic words here, which are the words? Can you tell me? Jingling, tingling, yes. Jingling, tingling, clash. This poem, if you try to find it in the Google, the poem Bells, it is full of onomatopoeic words. Okay, the figure of speech is used in this poem, lots of them. So try to find out this poem. These are only 2 lines I have placed here. The whole poem is full of onomatopoeic words. All right, yeah, you all are correct.